Hello, this is Richard Cheek. I work in the College of Arts and Sciences here at the University of North Carolina, Greensboro. One of the departments that I work with is the computer science department. And I want to give you a quick virtual tour of some of our computing facilities. Let's see what we've got here. Um, First, let's take a look at a typical classroom. This is a Petty 007. I'll just show you here that this is kind of showing the front of the room from the center. We'll pan this around and just show you the rest of the classroom. The seats at this point are spread out because of the social distancing for the coronavirus pandemic. So some of the seats are stacked up in the back, but you can see from the technology standpoint that there is a pull down. Well, actually, it's a motorized screen that comes down that reflects the screen that's here at the front of the room. Here's um, a view from behind the console where the instructor would teach from. And so what they see on the screen here is what's projected from the projector up here onto the screen that comes down here. Let's move on to, let's see, this is the Petty 222 computer lab. We teach a lot of the lower level computer science courses, like the standard programming courses and data structures and stuff like that. This is again a view from the podium. You can see just basically how the computers are lined up there and how you've got a projector that projects on the screen here in the front. We'll kind of take a center view so you can kind of see the whole lab from the center. There's the projector. Actually, this has two screens, as you can see here. Again, there was the podium view we were looking at over there. It's where the professor would hang out. And let's move along. So I've got videos of some of our particular other labs, like for instance, the super lab. Let me get you that video over here and maybe make this a little bigger. Let's see here. So yeah, this is just kind of a slow pan view of what we call the super lab. It's built into the bottom of our library facility. Quite a few computers in here. Kind of a general place that's we don't reserve for classes, so students always have a place to go and use a computer. I'll go ahead and close this guy, and we'll take a look at Petty 205, which is our database data structures lab. You can see here basically mainly we use these for research, but sometimes we might bring a small class or something in here. We've got the teaching station here on the right. We'll look down in there and you'll see this is just a screen that the faculty member can see through the glass to see what they're projecting up on the screen through the projector. You can see there's a printer back there. Let's move on to the Petty 211 lab. This is specifically reserved for computer science and mathematics and statistics students. Kind of the same setup. We got the whiteboard and stuff at the front. Got the projector screen up in the ceiling there. And there's a couple of Macs. Most of the labs we've seen so far pretty much have mostly PCs in them, but there we do have a couple of Macs back there. A couple of printers you can print to. All right, let's see. Petty 214, I'll show you a quick video of that. This is we call it the SPAN lab, and right off, I can't remember what that acronym means, but it's kind of grab bag facility of where students can basically take equipment out of those racks over there and put them on the table and kind of set up particular projects. Let's see, you'll see that we got some racks back here with some server equipment in there. I'll show you that in some pictures we got. Kind of shows the same thing we really just saw, but I'll just bring it up here too. This is kind of a close-up of one of the racks with some, most of these I think are Linux servers that are in here, maybe a license manager for MATLAB or something. I think this is mostly the stuff this is being used by Dr. Jing Deng in the department. Then we've got, here's a kind of a close-up of some servers used by Dr. Soumya Mohanty. And we've got some, these are, this is just kind of a little close-up of just basically, again, they're just systems that the students can just grab and set up on the table and work on a particular project. Actually got some older laptops they can use in there too. Not all that much else in there. Let's see, and just some few more. These are the Dr. Steve Tate's server he's got racked, and here he's still got some rooms for expansion if he needs to do that. I think that's about it. That's kind of a general overview of some of our lab equipment. Thanks for watching.